Hey developers, welcome back to Bitquery. Today we are diving into something really exciting, building an AI powered trading agent for base chain using Bitquery APIs and Claude AI. This isn't just theory. We will show you a working implementation that analyzes tokens in real time and makes intelligent trading decisions. Trading on base chain manually? That's exhausting, right? We're constantly monitoring trending tokens, checking liquidity, analyzing holder distributions, calculating market caps. It never stops. What if an AI could do all this heavy lifting for you? That's exactly what we have built, an intelligent agent that combines BitQuery's real time base chain data with Claude AI's decision making capabilities. It analyzes trending tokens, evaluates risk factors, and makes buy, sell, hold, or avoid decisions automatically. Here's the magic in action. The agent starts by fetching trending base tokens using our Dex Trade by Tokens API. For each token, it gathers then comprehensive data: current price, market cap, total supply metrics, trading volume and unique buyers, volatility analysis, holder concentration to detect whale risks. All this data gets fed to Claude AI with specific prompts tailored for base ecosystem trading. Claude analyzes everything from liquidity thresholds to base DEX compatibility and returns clear decisions. Look at this output: analyzing Togo token and then analyzing Leica token. Right now, these are the top trending tokens on base. And when I ran this base AI agent, it quickly checked what are the trending tokens and then got these details for these tokens and also gave the decision on them that we should avoid them. This base BitQuery utils file contains all the BitQuery APIs that we are running here. The architecture is beautifully simple. We use 7 key BitQuery queries. Firstly, trending token query. Then we do volatility analysis for the token. Then we calculate the token's price. Then we calculate the balance of our wallet for that particular token. We also get the top holders distribution of the token. And we are also getting the supply metrics here to calculate the market cap. It can be calculated using supply and price. Just multiply both of them and you'll get the market cap in USD. We are also subscribing here to base trades using WebSocket streams for base chain, which are provided by Bitquery. And here you can get the real time trades for the tokens. We have done the Claude AI integration in the AI decision file. We are sending a prompt with all the data that we have gathered, like name, symbol, market cap, and all of the other metrics. And we are sending it in a prompt to the Claude AI. And then Claude AI is generating the response and giving it to us that whether we should buy, sell, hold, or avoid the token. We are doing here the detailed analysis. And we are using the model Claude 3.5 Sonnet. And this is the main file through which we integrate all of these BitQuery utils and AI decision. And then we are running the file and we can see the data here and the AI making the decisions whether we should buy, sell, or hold the token. So this was the video on how to build a base on-chain AI agent using BitQuery APIs. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe, and head over to our Telegram channel if you have any questions.